Okay, here we have the Prime Prone leg curl. Couple things that I just want to highlight on this. To adjust the pattern where it hits on your leg, you just slide it in here. You can go as far as you need to. You can also adjust how far the stretch is. So if this is too far for you, you can adjust it up all the way to here. If you wanted to do partials or something to that regard. Another thing I love about Prime is you can adjust the different loading profiles. So this is beginning, 3, mid, and then end, range. So based off of your needs and how you want to hit your hamstrings, you can adjust where the most tension is within the movement. If you want to adjust the weight, you have the stack right here. Again, if you don't want to go up 20-pound increments, you can just pull this out, 5, 10, and then finally 15 pounds. Great piece of equipment. I love Prime. I'm very happy that we have a bunch of Prime equipment in here. So if you want a great piece of leg equipment on your hamstring day, definitely incorporate these.